Did you do it?
Yes.
So what are y'all learning about right now?
We are learning about mutations, natural selection, adaptation, and mutation.
Mutation.
I think that's, yes, the last one.
And then so y'all learning about different animals like lions and stuff like that?
We're not going too specific, but we're trying to create our own animals. So we're just trying to bring up a different variety of animals and bringing up their body parts and just making them into a whole different new animal that exists into a different location. And we'll go through this game where to see if our animal lives most of the time, and whoever it's basically a competition that we're doing.
All right. So y'all are like doing different animals, like I already asked. And so like mutation, what does that mean like that?
I think mutation is when there's an error in an animal. So like the black pocket mouse, it lives in the California desert, and there's I think it's Fire Valley, and it's just all black.
Yeah.
Because of natural selection, there's an error into one mouse that created it to turn black, and then as it went through, as it kept on mating and mating, and through all many years, it would turn into that population in the Fire Valley will be black pocket mouse.
All right. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh wait, so you're learning about mutations, adaptations, and all the other things?
Natural selection. I think that's it.